A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal move, the Department of Justice has filed a lawsuit against New York City Mayor Eric Adams and several top city officials, alleging that the city's sanctuary policies are designed to obstruct federal immigration law. The 37-page complaint, lodged in a Brooklyn federal court, accuses New York City of intentionally undermining the enforcement of immigration laws that have been in place for decades. Attorney General Pamela Bondi stated that New York City has released numerous criminals back into the community, posing a threat to law-abiding citizens due to its sanctuary policies. The lawsuit claims that these policies are not just recent developments, but part of a long-standing history that dates back to 1989, when New York first established itself as a sanctuary city. The Justice Department argues that these policies have only intensified over the years, creating an environment that actively thwarts federal immigration enforcement efforts. One of the key points of contention is a policy that prohibits the New York Department of Corrections from honoring detainers issued by U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, IC. This means that when a criminal illegal immigrant is released from jail, federal authorities are not notified, allowing them to potentially reoffend. This lawsuit represents the latest clash between the Trump administration and Democratic-controlled cities over immigration policy, reflecting the ongoing tensions surrounding sanctuary cities across the United States. The Justice Department's action is part of a broader strategy to challenge jurisdictions that refuse to cooperate with federal immigration authorities, particularly as deportation raids ramp up. The implications of this lawsuit could be far-reaching, not only for New York City, but also for other jurisdictions with similar sanctuary policies. As the legal battle unfolds, it raises questions about the balance between local governance and federal law enforcement, as well as the safety and security of communities across the nation. Mayor Adams has yet to respond publicly to the lawsuit, but the stakes are high as the city navigates this contentious issue. The outcome of this case could set a precedent for how sanctuary policies are treated legally and could influence the future of immigration enforcement in the U.S. amidst this legal turmoil. New York City continues to face challenges related to its immigration policies, with advocates on both sides of the debate passionately voicing their opinions. Proponents of sanctuary policies argue that they are essential for protecting vulnerable immigrant communities and fostering trust between law enforcement and residents. On the other hand, critics contend that these policies compromise public safety and hinder the ability of law enforcement to do their jobs effectively. As the nation watches closely, the lawsuit against Mayor Adams and New York City serves as a critical flashpoint in the ongoing national debate over immigration and the role of local governments in enforcing federal laws. The legal proceedings will likely draw significant media attention and public interest as they delve into the complexities of immigration policy and the responsibilities of local versus federal authorities. New York City has long prided itself on being a welcoming place for immigrants, but this lawsuit could challenge that narrative and force the city to reevaluate its approach to immigration enforcement. The coming weeks and months will be crucial as both sides prepare for what is sure to be a contentious legal battle in the courts. With the Trump administration's aggressive stance on immigration, the outcome of this lawsuit could have lasting implications for sanctuary cities nationwide, potentially reshaping the landscape of immigration policy in America. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.